Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change font on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, I need to show you the custom font on the TikTok. You can see that the font is custom and you cannot change the font. But I will show you how you can change that. You simply need to open any browser on your smartphone and search here Lingo Jam. Open this website. This website is loading. Open the first website lingojam.com. Then type here your name. I am going to write my channel name. So you can see that there are plenty of custom fonts. You can select any. I will select one as a sample to show you. You can select this font. Then you need to click on copy. Then you need to open TikTok, click on that, paste here, and then you need to simply click on save. So by following these steps you can simply change font on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.